Alright, today's the day that we're finally modifying the car. It's one of my happiest days ever. Because I get to see the boys at RDB, I get to bring my car, get to drive it, the 765 LD, and on top of that, we get to modify everything and change all of the stuff in the car, obviously in a respectful way so the brand never gets mad at us. But it's really just exciting to be around the boys and just being back. I'm so pumped to see them, and I'm sure those guys are happy to see me too. It's been so long.
I don't want to be mean, but I don't know how he found this address. We didn't give it to him, but somehow he's here.
When he told me it's been 4 years he hasn't been here, I was like, what? I didn't even notice he was gone.
He keeps showing up and showing up. We can't get rid of him.
Yeah, we've been so busy doing so many things, it seems like he has nothing better to do.
What are we doing to the car? We're doing everything that you can possibly imagine we're doing to this car. It's gonna be crazy. Vic's been ordering parts. Mano's been calling every manufacturer that he knows. It's been a wild ride, and the fact that these guys want to play ball so hard is what makes me happier. It really makes it fun when you're changing so much in your car, and I also feel safe because these guys know what they're doing.
Man, he has so many ideas. He wants to do so many things to this car. It's gonna be crazy. I don't even know how we're gonna do it. Taking all these measurements, jacksawing everything, doing all kinds of stuff to this McLaren. But I don't think he's gonna do any of it. He's gonna give us some tiny little thing to do, and that's all he's gonna do. He always does this shit to us. He comes with his huge, big ideas, blows it up, and then at the end, it's just this little thing going on. So
yeah, he made me call all these brands, and I guarantee you he's not gonna do any of it. And if he does this shit to me again, I'm gonna be super pissed. Because my relationship with these people is the most important thing I have at RDBLA. Stu doesn't even care about who I know, what I know. He's just wasting my time, I can guarantee it. He comes here, uses my employees to do all these funny things and just leaves. It spends no money, doesn't pay a deposit, and just doesn't do anything. Wasting our time.
Attention everyone, balls. Thank you.
Does he do that to you too?
Yeah, finally somebody else gets it.
am I the only one that thinks this is weird?
All the parts are here. These guys are gonna get started right now. You guys don't even know all the goodies that we got. I'm so excited.
All the parts. You only got 2 little things, and it's like the most simplest thing. I don't know why he keeps coming back for this. It's been 3 times now talking about this big jobs, but in fact, it's a very small job that takes only a few minutes. I don't want to break your guys' heart or his heart. I don't know what he told you guys, but I hope you guys are not disappointed with what we're doing.
All these parts, if you guys know how much I paid for these parts, I paid like $10 for it. And I'm serious, we only paid $10 for these parts. What did you guys tell you that we're doing to this car? I don't get it.
It's time to heavily modify the 765 LT.
If we only pay $10, what do you guys expect? Are people gonna be mad at us because of whatever he's telling you guys? I hope you guys aren't disappointed.
Holy shit, they're done! They're done!
God, the things we do for this guy.
Attention everyone, balls. Thank you.